Okay, I had to do a new video. It wouldn't let me change focus from one direction to another. But it's like, oh my God, I can't believe this. This has never happened down here, ever. According to the weatherman and the local news and everything, this is a first for this area since recorded history. We have never experienced this. This is unreal, y'all. Absolutely unreal. Who that? Oh,
Me.
say hi, Justin.
No.
Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. This is unreal. All right, I'm gonna stop now. I'm freezing.